Okay, today we're going to put together the 5-foot table. So first thing you want to do is line your table out, the corresponding numbers. As you see, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. We'll start by a 1/4 inch gap in between. If you have a table with an optional hole in the center, that piece will go right here. So you find an end cap that has matching letter A to A. And we'll screw these on. And for now, we'll just put 2 screws in each table section. Starting in the end, make sure it's flush. We'll come over here to this side. And we'll center out the center section, make sure it's even. Do the same for the other side. Again, matching the letters where they go. Okay. Next will be putting the top on the legs. So grab a leg. See, this one has the letter D on it. Find the corresponding top piece, top of the leg piece that has the D on it as well. Line it up with the alignment marks, and we'll be using 4-inch screws to attach. Do the same for the other leg. Now on the side of the legs, we'll have 1, 2, and a 3. Those numbers will correspond to the same numbers on your tabletop. There'll also be a mark to know where to line it up. Insert all screws. Once you get all the screws installed, we'll come around to this side, the other side. We will install screws going in here. We'll do the same for the other side. 4, 5, 6. Now, once you get all the screws put in for the leg assemblies, we'll put in the cross piece. We'll be aligning E to E and F to F. Make sure the screws go in the same holes they came out of. Next we'll be installing the braces. This will be marked. H goes with H, G goes with G. Put the bottom screws in first. Push it up to the top. Now let somebody help you flip the table over. So now you can go along and finish putting the rest of the screws in. Making sure that the board is flush at the top. You can always loosen the screw, push the board up or down to make sure they're flush. After those are both installed on both sides, next would be to insert wood plugs and your table is complete.